probably is on your assignment. Probably. What's the shape called?
Pentagon.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so on your assignment today. Oh, Addison, I'm so sorry. Thank you for recording. Okay, so on your assignment today, friends, you are going to be working with polygons. Okay, there are 4 steps. So your first step is you're going to count how many flat sides there are. For this shape right here, I have friends that are talking. For this shape that is right here, how many sides do I have? 5. Yeah, I have 5. You need to know that. Okay, so you're gonna count how many flat sides and how many triangles there are, and then you're gonna write the formula. So the formula for finding a polygon, it's area equals base times height divided by 2. Hey, what's this formula right here?
Triangle.
Yep, a formula of a triangle, and then you're going to times it by how many sides there are in a polygon, because polygons today you are going to be working with different polygons that are different size or different with a different amount of sides. I don't know what my formula is, guys. Sorry. So it's going to be times the number of sides.
Can we just try S?
Sure. Okay. So today, when we're working on it, we're going to count how many sides. This particular polygon has 5 sides. This polygon, and the reason why we want to know how many sides it is because these polygons, they actually break up into different triangles. So like this polygon has how many triangles on it? 5. Yeah, it has 5 triangles on it. And so in an ideal world, like my polygon is not even or straight. It is not equal. But to the best of my ability, I drew my polygon. Okay. And so we're going to say that the height of this shape is going to be 14 centimeters, and the base of this shape is going to be 20 centimeters. Okay. So I am ready to solve this right now. What's up? Okay, I need you to take a seat. I will fill this out with you as soon as I'm done with this. Make sure everything on that is filled out, okay? All right, so I'm going to write out my formula. It's going to be area equals base times height divided by 2 times, how many sides do I have here? 5. Yeah, times 5, okay? Now I'm ready to plug in the numbers. So I wrote out my formula. I counted up, it has 5 sides. I wrote out my formula with the 5 in it. I'm ready to plug in my numbers. Do I know what my area is? No, I'm going to leave it as A. And then equals, what's my base? 20 times, what's my height? 14 divided by 2 times 5. So just like we have talked about, we want to take it apart piece by piece. Okay, so we can just work from left to right. We're going to do 20 times 14. And please notice that I am doing a little bit of math on the side, and that is 100% fine. Please don't just try to do this all mentally. 0 is going to hold my spot. 2 times 4 is what?
8.
2 times 1? 2. So 20 times 14 is going to give me 280. Then I'm going to divide it by 2, then multiply it by 5. Okay? So now I'm ready to move on to my second spot where my area equals, I'm going to break it apart. My next section I'm going to work on is 280 divided by 2. What is 280 divided by 2? 140. And then, did I do anything with my times 5 yet? Nope, so I'm just going to bring it down. 140 times 5. And now I'm going to do 140 times 5. 5 times 0?
0.
5 times 4?
20.
20. 5 times 1?
5.
Plus 2?
7.
Okay, so is my answer 700?
Yeah.
700 what?
Centimeters squared.
Centimeters squared. Okay. And so the reason why we're multiplying it by 5 is because if you guys look, we took the base and the height of this triangle right here. We took the base and the height of one triangle, and we found the area of one triangle, okay? And then we decided that we are trying to find the area of a polygon, and so this polygon has 5 triangles, so that's why we multiplied it by 5. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, we're going to do one more. Hi. Yes, so I want you to plug in what you know. This is the only question like that. So plug in what you know and start working your way backwards, and I will come over to help, okay? Okay, we're going to do one more, and it's going to have 8 sides. What is this shape called? And I am not good at drawing this shape, so we're going to try our best. Oh, that's bad. Okay. As long as mine's better than Dakota's, that's all that matters. I'm kidding, Dakota. Okay. No, mine's really bad. It's okay. All right. So, how many sides does this shape have?
8.
8. Good. So let's fill in a little bit of information. 6 feet and 5.2. Hey, so I'm gonna fill out everything that I know. I'm gonna write out my formula. What's my formula gonna be, friends? It's gonna be A equals base times height divided by 2 times what? 8. So here's my question. How come on this formula it's times 8, but on this formula it's times 5? Tell your partner why. Okay, I need all eyes up here in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Laura, can you tell us why?
It's because with the first shape, we counted the sides and only had 5. And then with the second shape, there's 8, and you times it by how many sides. So
perfect. Yeah, perfect. So we want to know how many sides there are. So we're going to multiply it by how many sides there are. Okay. So do I know what my area is?
Nope.
Nope. Do I know what my base is?
Yes.
What's my base?
5.2.
5.2. Times, do I know what my height is?
Yes.
What's my height?
6.
Then divided by 2, then times 8. Okay. So let's go ahead and start solving. What's the first thing I'm going to work out on here, friends?
5.2 times 6.
5.2 times 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and work that out. 5.2 times 6. 6 times 2?
12.
6 times 5?
30.
Plus 1?
31.
31. And I have a decimal here. Please remember to take care of your decimals. Okay? So the area of 5.2 times 6 is going to be 31.2. Then I'm going to bring down my divided by 2 times 8. So now I'm ready to do 31.2 divided by 2. 31.2 divided by 2. I'm going to bring my decimal straight up. 2 can go into 31 how many times? Or 2 can go into 3 how many times?
1.
2 times 2. Oh, what am I doing? Just kidding. 1 times 2 is what? 2. 3 times 2 is, or 3 minus 2?
1.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Bring down my 1. I'm thinking about going to the dentist. I don't know. 2 can go into 11 how many times?
5.
5. 5 times 2?
10.
10. 11 minus 10? 1. English Foxies, I shouldn't be able to hear you. I love your faces. Okay, and it's smaller. Bring down my 2. 2 can go into 12 how many times?
6.
6 times 2?
12.
12. Subtract 0. So I know that 31.2 divided by 2 is going to give me 15.6. And I'm going to times it by 8. Right? Are you with me?
Yeah.
We're good? Okay, and so finally I have one more part to do. It's 15.6 times 8. So let's go ahead and work that out. 15.6 times 8. 8 times 6 is what?
48.
48. 8 times 5?
40.
Plus 4?
44.
44. 8 times 1 is what?
8.
Plus 4?
12.
Is this my answer right here?
No.
How many times do I need to move my decimal over?
1.
1 time, good. So area equals 124.8 what?
Feet squared.
Feet squared. Good. Okay, so on today's assignment, all of your problems except for one, you are just solving for the area. There will be one that you're going to get to try out, where you get to solve for the area first. Once your match or matches mine, I need to open on the corner of your desk.